wish parted, I meet you again. You look the same, just like you were then. Our love's past time when we were young, where I had started to find you myself. Though apart now, you do not change. You have a family with children and kin. You are still smiling like on that day when you would smile for me every day. I never thought that I would meet you more. Is this my dreaming or is this real life? Your body's scent is like on that day when I held you close, tight every day. Wanna call out, but others will know that we two people are ex-lovers, because you belong to somebody else. My beautiful girl, please just let it go. Another's only love. This time we meet, we just look and see. Let my heart think deep in my soul that we two people are ex-lovers. There's next life I will still recall. We'll bring documents that hold your name. This love of ours will not be lost. Remember, I must bring paper